Hello guys, ito papasok na ako sa plane. Yee! See you later. There you go again. I'm so excited. Yan yung plane. Thank you. Right side, right side. Okay, what seat is this? 62C. Sa punta-punta. Kitgali.
Good evening po. Welcome on board.
Seat is 62C. Hanapin lang dyan sa gilid. She said sa right side daw. So, hindi ako kaigo. So, 48. Ba, ragid ako sa buli-buli ka aeroplano ba? Ragid ako sa buli sang aeroplano. I will just wait first. $61. Here it is. 62Z. Oh, where's the ABC? Oh, that's good. Dito ako sa may bintana, ha? Wow. May papelo pa sila and komot, ha? Ang galing ng Philippine Airlines. Okay, upo na muna ako.
In 2024, and our flying time to Manila 1 hour and 45 minutes. We shall be cruising altitude of 33,000 feet and expect to arrive Manila time early in the morning. That will be Thursday, December 12, 2024 at 1:05 in the morning. There's no time difference between Hong Kong and Manila. Weather forecast, expect good weather all the way to our flight, except some partly cloudy, and weather forecast Manila this time forecasted to be clear with water pressure of approximately 80 degrees Celsius. That's equivalent to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. We care for your safety and please take your assigned seats as soon as possible to facilitate our departure, and keep your seatbelt fastened at all times as we may experience unexpected turbulence during the flight. We'll update you with the latest arrival information in Manila as we get closer to our destination. Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino mabuhay.